Okay, students, welcome back to the class again. Sorry to get disconnected. Okay, we are going to proceed on with the topic for today. In the previous class, we studied about acceleration. Any doubt till there? Okay, what about your exam yesterday? Is that okay? And few of the differences. The exam is from there only. Yes, that is the beginning of your chapter. But trust me, it is not that we have just done this much. You need to be regular. If you are, the exams are going to be like this only. Fine. Because only if the concepts are not clear, then only we face problem. Yes. If the concept is clear, if the points are clear, then I guess there will be no problem. Okay. One request, the students with those who have not mentioned the sections onto the screen, kindly rename yourself and do that. Okay. Whenever you get time. Otherwise, somehow it is difficult to join. Chal. Without wasting any more time, let's move on. Okay. In the starting, any question, anybody? Anyone? Any question? You can raise your hand if you want to ask something. Okay. In the previous class, we have covered the numericals. Yes. Now we are going to carry forward the same and we are going to do few more numericals. Fine. Previous class we studied about acceleration, the numericals based upon acceleration. Fine. That if there is a change in velocity only then we can have acceleration, and it depends upon that which change is going on. Is it increasing or decreasing? Based upon that you will get positive acceleration or negative acceleration. Now the next we are going to have the numericals based upon the average speed. Fine. I'm going to take the numericals from your book itself. So let me take you to the screen. Children, please, your attendance is not marked. It will be marked at the last. So you have to stay and you have to study. Fine. It's not that you just came and after attendance you went. I'm going to have it at the last. Second thing is, kindly keep writing. I can ask anybody in between. Okay. So the first question from your book, it is example number 8.1. Example number 8.1. We are going to begin from there. Fine. We are going to do 3 to 4 questions today. So let's begin. Please write down an object travels 16 meters in 4 seconds and then 16 meter in 2 seconds. I'm writing for those students, those who don't have the books yet. So you can note it down. Those who have the books, you can see from there as well. Okay. An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and then 16 meter in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? The question is very simple. It is in front of you. I'm just going to help you a little into it. That is the formula we are going to use into it. If you know it, good. Go ahead. If you don't know, I'm going to mention it onto the screen. Fine. First try you are going to give, and then I be solving it. Okay, so this is the formula for average speed, that is the total distance covered divided by the total time taken. Anji Rishita.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the answer is 5.33 meter per second.
Very good, very well done. Anji, Angel, same answer? 5.33? No. Okay. Anji Arushi? Okay. Angad, your answer? Is it the same? Okay. Anyone with some other answer? Anyone with some other answer? You can raise your hand if you have some other answer. Anji Krishna, what is your answer? Krishna. Krishna, please unmute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, the answer is 5.33 meter per second.
So same it is. You raise your hand. I thought that you have some other answer. Okay. So the answer is 5.33. How we have done that? सबसे पहले आप पहला स्टेप यहाँ पे लिखोगे given. Given means you have to note down distance 1 is equal to 16 meter, distance 2 is equal to 16 meter, time 1 4 second, time 2 2 second. Fine. Kindly do not skip any of the step. हाँ, it's not कि मैंने पहले आंसर देना है, मैंने पहले आंसर देना है. ऐसा ना हो when I say that show me your notebook. नहीं मैडम, नोटबुक पे तो किया ही नहीं. Okay, चलिए. Then you have to do the conversion. Now here distance का standard unit meter, time का standard unit second, so there is no conversion required. Moving with the next step, that is the formula. Formula हमने लिख लिया है. Then putting the values and solving it. So values, total distance 16 plus 16. Total time 4 plus 2. So you get 32 divided by 6. When you solve it, you will get 5.33 meter per second. So substitution done, result written, unit written. Done? Chale. Moving on with the next question number 8.2. Those who have not noted down, you can please note it down. Then I'm going to erase it. Okay, next 8.2. The odometer of a car reads 2000 kilometers at the start of trip and 2400 kilometers at the end of trip. If trip took 8 hours, calculate the average speed of car in kilometer per hour and meter per second. So this is the next question. हाँ जी. So what the question says, the odometer. Odometer क्या होता है? It is a device which is used to measure the distance. Fine. In the car there is one device where it is written कि ये गाड़ी कितनी चल चुकी है, 1500 kilometer or 2000. Fine. Okay. Now odometer car reads 2000 kilometer at the start of the trip, 24 at the end of the trip. मतलब जब आपने start किया, it is written 2000 kilometer on that device. When you end, it is written 2400 kilometer on that device. So how many kilometers you have covered in your journey? हाँ जी Angel.
Ma'am, in the kilometer per hour, it is 50 kilometer per hour and a 13.9 meter per second in the meter per second.
अच्छा, you are talking about the answer. ठीक है, we will go to the answer also.
The distance we have got by subtracting 2400 and 2000. Then we get 400
ठीक है.
and we will divide it by 8 and then we get 50.
Okay, so in the starting you have 2000, at the end you have 2400. Fine. So what is the total distance you covered? How you are going to do that? Final minus initial. That is 2400 minus 2000. When you do it, you get the answer as 400 kilometers. Fine. Now, the time you take is 8 hours. कितना time लिया? 8 hours. Speed find करनी है in kilometer per hour. So how you can do that? Speed is equal to distance over time. कितना distance cover किया? 400. Divide by how much time you have taken is 8. When you cancel it out, you will get the answer as 50 kilometer per hour. Children, why your hands are raised? Angad, Charchit, Khushkaran, you want to ask something? Acha, okay. हाँ जी, Khushkaran.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, in meter per second, when we divide, ma'am, answer come 13.888. Then why we write 9? 13.9.
बेटा हमें वहां तक पहुंचने तो दो, रुक जाओ. ठीक है आगे. I am going to take your question, but first let's reach there, ना? Fine. Because देखो एंजल ने भी आंसर बता दिया, but see we have to take the class together. ऐसा ना हो कि कुछ बच्चों को समझ में ना आए, है ना? So you have done it, good. But let's go along with the class. ठीक है? I'm sorry, but this is very important so that everybody can understand. चलो, okay. 50 kilometer per hour आ गया आंसर. Charchit, any doubt till here? Okay. Then we have to convert it into meter per second. तो meter per second में आप कैसे करोगे? 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर को मीटर पर सेकंड में चेंज करना है. डिवाइडेड विद 5/18 डायरेक्टली. 2 9s are 18. 2 25s are 50. 25 into 5 is what? 125. Divide by 9. Let's divide it because we are not going to leave the answer in the fraction here. We have to bring it to the decimals. Fine. So when you are going to do 125 divided by 9, you will get the answer as 13.88. लेकिन ये आंसर गलत होगा because see, when you divide, if the division stops after 2 decimal places, then it is correct, but it doesn't stops here, है ना? जब आप डिवाइड करोगे 125 को 9 के साथ, सी आपको बहुत ज्यादा डिवाइड नहीं करना है, फाइन, बट यू विल डेफिनेटली गो टू 3 places after the decimal, definitely. Okay, okay, so 9 ones are 9, 3 you will get here, ऊपर से आया 5, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, so that will be greater. So 27, 35 minus 27 you will get 8, point लगा के you will get 0 here. 9 nines are 81, that will be greater. 9 8s are 72. 80 minus 72 you will get 8. Again 0, again 8s are 72. Again you will get 8, again 72. ऐसे आएगा ना? So you will do it till 13.888. 3 values तक कर लिया. Now you have to take the answer till 2 values. Point के बाद 2 values तक हम जाते हैं. We will not go with the 3 values. But क्योंकि ये आंसर फिनिश नहीं हो रहा था, we will first take 3 values. फिर हम ये थर्ड वैल्यू को एलिमिनेट करेंगे, फिनिश करेंगे. कैसे? If it is smaller than 5, just eliminate. If it is greater than 5, then we have to eliminate it, but we have to add 1 in the next number. So it is 13.89. हाँ जी खुशकरण, is it clear now? ठीक है जी? Okay, let's give a try to the same kind once again. Let's say you have 13.843. Next number you have is 13.45. Next number you have is 13.46. Let's say it is something like this. Fine. Sorry. 13.453. 13.425, 13.457. Let's say you have all these 3 numbers. तो आपको 3 places से 2 places तक आना है. You have to check what is there at the third place. If it is smaller than 3, just remove it. Simply remove it. You will get the answer 13.45. If it is 5 or greater than 5, you will remove it, but you will add 1 in the previous number. अगर 5 है तब भी यहाँ पे 2 की जगह पे क्या आएगा? 3 आएगा, and 5 will be removed. So it is 13.43. यहाँ पे 7 है, which is greater than 5, so you will remove it. लेकिन यहाँ पे 5 की जगह पे क्या आएगा? 6. So it is 13.46. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear now. Chaliye, moving on with the next question. A farmer moves. This is the blue question from your book. A farmer moves along the boundary of a square field, of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minute 20 second from initial position. Anji, give a try to the question. Then we are going to do it onto the screen as well. But पहले एक बार इसको try जरूर करो. The question is very, very simple. You know, when you do these kinds of questions in your maths, you always compare with how many toffees you got, how many chocolates you got, something like that. If you went to the shopkeeper for 5 chocolates, it is of 10 rupees. So what is the cost of 2 chocolates? Accordingly, fine. Definitely you are going to make the diagram and then you are going to do it. Give a try to this, then we are going to Anji. I don't need the answers. If you are getting the answers, just wait for just 2 minutes, okay? Let everyone do it, otherwise all they get confused. If you are done with it, you can move on with example number 8.3. Fine, but no confusion to all the other students. Let them do it. हाँ जी बच्चा, डन? हाँ जी विनायक, एनी डाउट?
Ma'am, should I tell the answer?
Answer, wait. Okay, let's understand the question now. A farmer moves along the boundary of those who have done good. I'm going to do it onto the screen. You are going to match it first, okay? And let's see how you are doing it. Okay, a farmer moves, it's written, okay, M-O, moves along a boundary of a square field. तो हम सबसे पहले एक square field बना देते हैं. This is your square field. Fine. Okay. Offside 10 meter means all the sides of the square field are 10 meter. Okay. Next. What will be the magnitude of displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? Matlab, farmer is going to take one round of the square field and farmer is taking 40 seconds to complete one round. 40 seconds. 2 मिनट 20 सेकंड के बाद डिस्प्लेसमेंट का मैग्नीट्यूड फाइंड करना है. मतलब सबसे पहले यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट दैट आफ्टर 2 मिनट 20 सेकंड्स वेयर द फार्मर इज. वो होगा कहां पे? व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द फाइनल पोजीशन? व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द इनिशियल पोजीशन? देन ओनली यू कैन फाइंड इट आउट. सो लेट्स से वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर एट पॉइंट ए. लेट्स से दिस इज पॉइंट बी, दिस इज पॉइंट सी, दिस इज पॉइंट डी. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय 2 मिनट 20 सेकंड्स? देखो, one round you complete in how many seconds? Forty seconds में आपने कितने राउंड कंप्लीट किए? 1 राउंड. ठीक है, अब आपको फाइंड करना है 2 मिनट 20 सेकंड्स में कितने राउंड करोगे. फाइन. सो लेट्स ब्रिंग इट टू द सेकंड्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. 2 मिनट 20 सेकंड्स को सेकंड्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो 2 मिनट 20 सेकेंड वी कैन राइट इट एज, मिनट को सेकंड में कैसे चेंज करोगे? मल्टीप्लाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 60. दैट इज गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट 2 मिनट इनटू सेकंड्स प्लस 20 seconds more are there. So what it is? 120 plus 20, that is equal to 140 seconds. Yes. Okay. Now 40 seconds में आपने 1 राउंड कंप्लीट किया. 140 seconds में कितने राउंड कंप्लीट करोगे? वन 40 seconds में कितने राउंड कंप्लीट करोगे? That is going to be 140 divide by 40. When you solve it, you will get 3.5 rounds. अच्छा, इसमें अगर आपको कंफ्यूजन आएगी कि हाउ वी हैव डन इट, कैसे आया 3.5, तो घूम के देख लो. 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40. Fine, but it is not only 2 minutes 20 seconds. If they say you have covered 60 minutes, तो फिर घूमते रहो. Is it? No. So what we are going to do is, okay, let's come to the shopkeeper. आप कैंडीज लेने गए. You went, कैंडीज खानी है, चॉकलेट्स खानी है, क्या खाना है? चॉकलेट्स. ठीक है, चलो चॉकलेट्स खाते हैं. You go to the shopkeeper and you say that, Bhaiya, what is the cost of this chocolate? Bhaiya said that 20 rupees 1 chocolate. Costly है ना? चलो Okay, 20 rupees one chocolate. You are having 100 rupees. You said भैया 100 rupees की chocolates दे दो. कितनी आएंगी? It's going to be 100 what you have divided by the cost of 1, that is 20. अभी आया 5, कितनी मिलेंगी? 5 chocolates मिलेंगी. Same way 40 seconds 40 rupees, let कर लो इसको 40 rupees की 1 chocolate, 1 round is 1 chocolate. Fine. 140 rupees की कितनी chocolate? So it is going to be 140 divided by the cost of 1, that is 40. समझ में आया? हाँ बस टॉफी चॉकलेट खिलाते रहो और समझाते रहो. हम ऐसे अच्छे से समझते हैं ना. चलिए moving on. So farmer covered 3.5 rounds. Is this clear? Okay, so after 3.5 rounds, first farmer go from A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. This is first round, then second round, then third round. After third round, he reached back to A. Then half more round means he will go till C. C तक होगा उसका half round. Okay. Now we have to find out the displacement. So now we get to know that the initial position is A and the final position is C. ठीक है? Displacement means the straight path from A to C. That is this one. How you can find its value? That is, if you consider it as a triangle, square है तो 90 degree. ये सामने वाली साइड को हम क्या लेट करेंगे? हाइपोटेन्यूज. इधर आएगा परपेंडिकुलर, इधर आएगा बेस. सो इफ यू लुक इन द फिगर, परपेंडिकुलर इज गिवन, बेस इज गिवन. कैन यू फाइंड द हाइपोटेन्यूज? यस. सो h is equal to under root p square plus b square, or you can say h square is equal to p square plus b square. Anything? Okay. Put the values. P is 10 square plus B is 10 square. 10 square होता है 100. So 100 plus 100 आपका आ जाएगा 200. फिर आप इसको क्या करोगे? क्या करोगे आगे? You will take the LCM. Fine. You will take the LCM. So take the LCM. 200, 250, 225, and then 5. So you're left up with 3 times 2 and 2 times 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So whatever come twice, you can take that out. So it comes twice, so it will be outside. Multiply by 2 twice, it will come outside. 1, 2 is left inside, so under root 2. So your answer is 10 under root 2 meter. Fine. So it is 10 under root 2 meter. I hope those who have done it already, you got this answer. Very well done. Very well done. Chalo. Okay. Now, please note it down. One announcement we are going to have that in the next class we will be doing 8.3 example. We will be doing 2 examples from the back exercise, 2 to 3 examples from the back exercise. Fine. Plus, I be sending you a video where we will be having the question answer discussion. Fine. So based upon the time you have, you can watch that. I'm not saying by today because that contain all your back exercise questions with complete discussion. I have solved all those onto this board and I have uploaded. Fine. So obviously solutions you will get, but understanding you need to go through that. So whenever you get time, you can go with that. And if you face any problem, you can WhatsApp me. Fine. Chale. I hope it is noted down. Okay, so 3 numericals done today. Any problem, any confusion, anyone? Anyone? Any confusion and any question? Okay, let's wind up the class now. Okay, I'm going to tell you the task which we are going to have for the next class. We are going to do 3 numericals plus whatever we have done till today, because the next topic we are going to start is graphs. Fine. Before that, I am going to take you through all the things we have done till now from your book. Fine. So I will open the book onto the screen and we will go with the concepts. Fine. If you face any problem in any of the concepts, you can please WhatsApp me so that I can include that in the video. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.